Hey everyone, in this tutorial we'll be learning how to set up the middle section of the Renster WooCommerce theme. As you can see, there is this big blue background and has this main heading over here that says "We make your ride awesome." And then you have these four different features over here. As you can see, there's this first one, get amazing discount deals, and then unlimited miles rentals. Then you have this one-way car rentals, and then you have online reservation service. So there are these four features. You can obviously change their headings and their description, as you can see. And in this tutorial, we'll learn how to set up this section. So for that, quickly go to the dashboard, and then appearance, and then theme options. As you can see, the third option from the top is feature section. As you can see, the first one is main heading text, then you have feature 1 heading, feature 1 subtext, which is a description, and so on. So we'll just quickly copy all those details from here and then paste them in those fields just to show you how it should be done. So the main heading goes here, and then you have this first heading, first feature. It should be going to this feature 1 heading, and then you have this description should be going here, and then we'll quickly copy all these features one by one. Here goes the third one, the fourth one here, and the description. That's it. I'll just go and save changes. Alright, so I'll just quickly load the home page and see how it looks. There you go. You have this main heading over here, and then you have these four different features. Alright guys, this is pretty much it in this middle section tutorial, and we'll cover the mid slider in the next one, and then we'll head over to testimonial setup in next set of tutorial videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching.